up, guys? So you guys are probably wondering what is the difference between these two taillights. You guys can see that down the bottom, the turning signals and stuff is actually a lot nicer and cleaner. These are a little bit brighter, all dark and dusty. So today I'm going to show you guys how I did this conversion over to these on eBay if you guys buy these for your Skyline R33. So let's get to it. Whenever you guys get these taillights out, this is what your taillights will look like. They're wanting you to take the whole harness off of your old one and put it on this one. Also, you're going to be taking this little white piece for the body off as well. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. And then whenever you get to 5 screws, you're going to start taking the harness out, off. And you guys don't actually got to take these little brackets off. There's a bracket here. Those brackets do not come off. It does have a little place here for it, but I cannot get it to fit to save my life. Take it out of the little bracket. You're just going to sit it inside of here like this, and it twists and turns. Twists and turns. Same here. There's only one way to put these in and out. So you basically just put them in there, twist. As you guys can see here. Turn and twist in here, and then you just put them back in here, and voila. So after you get done with that, that's basically all you got to do. Now, as you guys can see here, these holes right here does not line up with that hole there as these do here. And then this one over here is completely perfect. Over here, there is not even a hole there for it. So I don't really like this design, so I feel like if water does get in here, it's going to come down here, and because there's nothing, I don't understand why there's nothing over here to guard that. So the bulbs down here kind of stick out up top a little, like that. I mean, I feel like it's kind of a horrible design. I feel like they could have done that a little better, but hey, it is what it is. So it's going to look a lot better. Let's see how long these last. This is the way it looks like when you guys get it. Looks like this. Basically, going to put this into your old harness and put it and tuck it in here inside. I'm going to put the new bulbs down here without the little brackets. So basically, you just put these back in the car the way they came, and there we go. So let's go do it. So here's what they look like months later. This is about 2 months later, maybe, since I did the taillight install. So far, they've been pretty good, and they've been working really, really nice. Here's some photos at nighttime. As far as I know, it's all plug and play. It goes back in just the way it came out, and it looks really, really nice. There's a thing I do like and don't like about these taillights. I really wish they could have done without doing these little circle things here. I wish it was just a flat, without this circle thing, it would be just perfect. I ain't gonna lie. But it is what it is. Sometimes I do like the OEM better, but sometimes I also do like this at the same time. I mean, it just makes it look more new edge, if you could say. So I mean, so far, I mean, I'm in love with them. I don't see no reason why I'm gonna go back to stock. I actually got somebody coming to pick up my stock ones and put it on his R33. So very, very cool. And yeah, guys, if you guys liked what you guys see, make sure you guys like and subscribe so you guys can see more of the content. These are what the new taillights look like at nighttime. Very nice and very dark red, like a bright dark red. On here doesn't do no justice. As you guys can see, it gives it that classic look. I love it. People can tell exactly what it is from far away. So, yep, if you guys like these, make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to hit that follow button. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, guys.